Local news for Wednesday the 9th of May. Aspiring hospitality students from local secondary schools are coming together as part of the UCOL Secondary School Hospitality Competition to put their skills to the test. The Wairarapa competition happens on the 4th of August and those wanting to sign up can do so via the UCOL website. South Wairarapa District Council, in conjunction with the Carterton and Masterton District Councils, have begun replacing the 70-watt high-pressure sodium street lighting with LED lighting. Spending growth through Paymark has slowed in recent weeks. Annual growth between April 2017 and 2018 was a slow 2.9% across the country, while spending in Wairarapa, however, was up 6.6% in April, with $1.15 million spent. And in sports, Dalefield women are back in action this weekend in the hockey, home to Victoria University, while the men are away to Nainai. And in football, the women's side are away to Tawa and Martinborough have their first Chatham Cup game. They've drawn Kapiti Coast away. We wish them the best of luck. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.